Hello guys, welcome back to SES LTD Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you never miss our uploads. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to talk about Nymblr. If you're someone who likes to promote your B2B business through cold outreach, you'd obviously need the contact information of your prospects, and to collect the contact information you can use so many different types of tools, and one of them is ZoomInfo. But the problem with this tool is you do not always get the right data. Sometimes the contact information of your prospects given on ZoomInfo is wrong. Either it could be a wrong email, either it could be a wrong phone number, and sometimes the data is also super old. So if you are tired of facing this problem, you can use simply Nymblr. It has over 90 million B2B contacts and all of the contacts are based in the US, and the best part about Nymblr is that they claim all of their data is validated, so there is a very small chance that you will find wrong data from this platform. So let's have a look at some of the features of this tool. So as you can see, you can find verified B2B leads for your cold outreach. It could be work emails, personal emails, direct dials, and then you can also build custom B2B audiences for your ad campaigns. You can also enrich your existing data. So if you have some data that you want to validate, you can do that from this platform. And then the best feature of Nymblr has to be this one. So if a data of Nymblr is not valid, this platform is not going to cost you anything for that data. This is something you do not find on any other tools. If you want to buy Nymblr, this is the best time because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $39, you can get lifetime access to this tool. And keep in mind the regular pricing is $948. So with this Appsumo deal, you can save 96% of your money. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. And these are some of the features of this tool, and these are the tiers that you can buy. There are some other tiers. Highest tier is tier 4 with $249 of cost. Nymblr also has subscription plan, and as you can see, this is their subscription plan and the features. After you log into Nymblr, you will get this dashboard, and from here you can see your team, and this is the name of the user. You can see the bonus tracker, and these are the features. So you can find prospect, you can enrich your data, manage your account. You can also install the Chrome extension of Nymblr, and I'm going to show you in a bit what this Chrome extension does. So let's go to the top and check the first feature, which is the prospect finder. From this section you can find the prospects about your business that are related to your business simply by searching with the filters, and there are a lot of filters. This has to be one of the best features. You can find the contact information of specific prospects that are super related to your business. So let me show you how. For example, I want to find some founders contact information. So let's click on enter, and as you can see, all of the founders with their contact information are appearing in this section, and as you can see, there are a lot of results. So if you want something more specific according to your business, you can use these filters. You can choose the seniority level, you can choose the department. For example, my department is marketing, so let's select marketing. And a great feature is you can select multiple departments, multiple skills, multiple interests in these filter points. So let's type a skill, B2B marketing. You can also select the interest, so let's type sales, B2B sales. You can also type the company name, company domain name, industry name, and there are a lot of filters that you can use on this section. And as you can see, after using a lot of filters, I have found 41 results, which means these prospects are highly related to my business, which is marketing. The skills are B2B marketing and the interests are B2B sales. So once you find all of your leads, you can simply click on unlock, and as you can see, the real-time verification has started. So as you can see, there is a yellow mark on this email. It means there is not 100% guarantee that the email is correct. Then you will also get the personal email, the phone number. You can also get the LinkedIn profile and the Facebook profile with company name. So let's unlock another. Once again, the verification has started, and as you can see, they have shown that the email is not correct. It is invalid email. So this is a great feature of Nymblr. They are going to verify the information, and if they found the information is invalid, it is going to show you, and it is also not going to charge you anything for this invalid information. So let's unlock another one and another one, and as you can see, now the email has been verified and it is also found to be valid. So this way you can find the right leads for your business by filtering their department, skills, interest, and so many other factors. And once you have all of your contacts, you can simply add them to your list. So as you can see, your list will appear in this section. You can simply create if you do not have one. one. For that you just have to type the list name. So as you can see, there is a option called create marketing. So let's click on it. As you can see, the list has been created, and you can simply click on add selection to add these contacts to your list. You can also export this contact information as CSV file if you want. And then the next section on Nymblr is audience builder. So if you are planning to run ad campaigns or email campaigns on Facebook, LinkedIn or Google, you'd obviously need some related prospects, and you can build the list of those prospects from this section. Once again, you have to choose the job title. So let's type chief and then press enter. So all of the people with this chief job title is appearing on this section. You can choose the seniority level. You can also choose the department. Let's choose education. You can select the skills. Let's select English teaching. So as you can see, now all of the leads are appearing on this section. And once you have found the right prospects for your B2B campaigns on Facebook, LinkedIn or Google, you can simply click on export, and I have exported all this information. Let me show you that. So as you can see, these are the data that I have collected, and the next section on Nymblr is audience. From here you can find all of your audience that you have collected from the audience builder, and then you have the enrich section. From here you can enrich your existing data. For that you have to simply type the phone number of your prospect or the email address or the LinkedIn profile. So I have an email of one of my prospects, so let's type that and then simply click on search. So as you can see, that data has been enriched. We have found so many different types of information just by typing this email, and on this page you have to click on this icon so that the data is going to be appearing on a more organized way. So as you can see, we have found the name of this person, where this email belongs to. We have also found the work email, the location, the job title, and there are so many different types of information that you may not found from other tools. So as you can see, there are so many different types of details, even details about his company. You can also bulk enrich. So if you have a lot of data in a CSV file, you can simply upload that file on this section. From upload, and you will get proper details about your prospects. There is also API enrichment if you are into it. And the last section is my list. So from here you can see all of your lists that you have made on this prospect finder section. For example, I made this marketing list, so it is now appearing on here. And remember how I told you that I'm going to show you how the Chrome extension of Nymblr works. So the Chrome extension is going to find contact information just by looking at a LinkedIn profile. Let me show you that. So this is a LinkedIn profile that I have opened, and as you can see, the Nymblr extension is installed on my browser. So after installing the extension, all you have to do is come to the LinkedIn profile of your prospect, and on the top right side you can see that good news, we have contact info available, which means Nymblr have contact information about this profile. So what it has found is the work email of this profile. To access the information, you simply have to click on unlock, and as you can see, we have found the work email. So this is also another great feature of Nymblr. So overall, I think Nymblr is an excellent tool if you want to find verified B2B leads, and they also have a lot of data. There are overall 90 million of leads, and all of them are US based. And the best part about Nymblr is it only costs you money for valid data. If a data is invalid, it is not going to cost you anything. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features and these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about Nymblr and how it compares to similar tools such as ZoomInfo. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.